Hey folks, today I'll show you what to do if you can't follow people on TikTok. First, open TikTok. There are a few options. Start by tapping the three lines, go to Settings and clear the cache. Tap Free Up Space and select where to clear the cache, then hit Clear. This might solve your problem. If that doesn't work, try reinstalling TikTok. Tap TikTok, select Delete App, confirm, then download it again. If neither works, go to TikTok and tap Report a Problem. Tap Search for a problem. Here, write that you can't follow. Type can't follow. Type follow. Look for following and unfollowing users. Tap it. Select can't follow a user. It's the sixth option at the bottom. There. They also provide some solutions. Try switching to mobile data, restarting your device, and updating TikTok. For updates, go to the App Store. Go to Search. TikTok. You'll see an update button if available. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.